Cross-Strait relations are the relations between the following two political entities, which are separated by the Taiwan Strait in the West Pacific Ocean and in particular between the respective governments, whose status as countries is debated. The People's Republic of China, abbreviated as PRC, commonly known as China, and the Republic of China, abbreviated as ROC, commonly known as Taiwan. In 1949, with the Chinese Civil War turning decisively in the Communists' favor, the ROC government led by the Kuomintang retreated to Taipei in Taiwan and established it as the capital, while the CPC proclaimed the PRC government in Beijing. However, the ROC's de jure capital remains legally in Nanjing. Since then, the relations between China and Taiwan have been characterized by limited contact, tensions, and instability, due to the fact the Civil War merely stopped without formal signing of any peace treaty and the two sides are technically still in a state of war. In the early years, military conflicts continued, while diplomatically both governments competed to be the legitimate government of China. More recently, questions around the political and legal status of Taiwan have focused on the alternative prospects of political unification with China or full Taiwanese independence. The People's Republic remains hostile to any formal declaration of independence and maintains its claim over Taiwan. At the same time, non-governmental and semi-governmental exchanges between the two sides have been increasing. From 2008, negotiations began to restore the three links between the two sides, cut off since 1949. Party-to-party talks between the CPC and the KMT have resumed and semi-official negotiations through organizations representing the interests of the respective governments are being scheduled. The English expression cross-strait relations has been used by the two sides concerned and by many observers so that the relationship between China and Taiwan would not be referred to as China-Taiwan relations or PRC-ROC relations. There is also no commonly used Chinese language phrase equivalent to the latter two phrases, although China-Taiwan relations is occasionally used by neutral sources and sources that favor a dichotomy between China and Taiwan, and conversely mainland Taiwan relations is occasionally used by pro-China sources and sources that favor avoiding that dichotomy. Comparison of the two political entities.